What's up, everybody? Brock here, and today I'm going to be opening up a Locksmith Comics Thirst for First comic book mystery box. So this was $175 shipped. That is the most that I've ever paid for a comic book mystery box to date. So normally, I don't go for ones that expensive, but this had the chance for some pretty big books in it. There was a Green Lantern #1. There was an Amazing Spider-Man 129. There was a Sandman #1 and a 9.6 CGC. There was an Avengers 57. So yeah, some big books coming out. And I know a couple of those have already been hit. I've seen a couple of them that were hit. And you had a 1 in 3 chance of hitting a slab. And I can tell you from feeling through the bag, I did not get a slab. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we're going to find out. So check this out. Now, this is supposed to either have it was called Thirst for First, so it's either supposed to have a first appearance or a #1. And kind of seen some mixed things coming out from these of the videos that I've watched. I've seen some people getting some pretty decent stuff, and I've seen not so decent, so we're going to find out. I don't know if, because I didn't get a slab, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Because honestly, some of the slabs I've seen coming out of these weren't the greatest. So, I don't know. We're going to find out. All right. And I picked box number 83. I believe there was 100 of these. And got our thing here. And so, I believe you only get like 5 or 6 comics. So you'd have to get at least one really good one, or, you know, a few really decent ones. I'm struggling here. Struggling to get these boards off of here. All right. So let's go this way. And first one, we got Batman #77. So I don't know if there's any significance to that one. So I'll put the values up on the screen. We'll see how close we come to the price point. All right. We got Thor #7. I believe that's just the regular A cover. And I do have that, so. All right, we got Amazing Spider-Man #392. So a little homage to ASM 50. Have that as well. All right, and we got, looks like a Detective Comics 1000. I am not sure which one this is. Check it out. All right. It's a Jason Fabok and Brad Anderson variant cover. So, do not know the values on that one. All right, and our last book. So far, I don't know. All right, well, we got Spawn #1, and it's a high-grade newsstand. So, not really sure what the newsstands are going for. I know the newsstands are quite a bit more rare. So, all right, that's it for our Locksmith Comics Thirst for First mystery box. I'll check out the values and put them up on the screen. That way we can see how close we actually came. All right, that's it for this one. And I want to thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.